All right, let's talk about building and using your prompts in the Eazl app. So to create a prompt, you can either start from scratch by clicking this prompt button, and then you just add some text here in the text entry area and save it, which will add it to your prompt. Another way that you can create a prompt is go and search your notes, and then you just select the notes that you want to add to a prompt, and then click this button, which will create a prompt using those notes. Now, once you have a prompt built, you can reorder anything in your prompt by just holding and dragging the elements to the desired position. You can also add elements by searching for a note while you're in a prompt, and you'll see that that shows this little area that shows that you are working within a prompt. And then you can select whatever notes you want and then add them to that prompt. And then back at the prompt, if you want to remove something, just go up here and then you can remove it. You can also rename your prompts by clicking this little button here and then renaming it. And then you can also find any prompt through the search bar. So if you search up here, then you'll search through all of your prompts. Or alternatively, you can go down if you've got a bunch of prompts and just click this button to show some of the older prompts. By default, they'll be shown in the order in which they were last edited. And then finally, let's cover placeholders. So if you add a placeholder by clicking this button here, then what this will do is give you the option to add files to your prompt, and that will enable you to bulk generate with a prompt. So this might be useful, for example, if you wanted to personalize content for a number of people at one time, or you wanted to analyze a number of documents or submissions at one time, then you can do it by adding a placeholder and then adding, for example, a file for each employee or for each submission or something like that. Also, it's worth noting that this placeholder is where you can inject any text if you're using any of your prompts via API, which I know is a little bit nerdy, but some people use their prompts as API endpoints, which is really easy to do, and that means that you can basically put these prompts into any app that you're working on or any workflow, which just opens up a whole new world for you. All right, so that's how you use prompts in the Eazl app.